Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today well, it's been a little rainy. Oh, sorry for the lighting. It's been a little bit rainy today, and there's been a bunch of birds flying everywhere. Look at them all. There's just a bunch of birds. Over here, there's some too. If you can see them far back there, little black dots. Oh, there's some that just flew in. And what? You want me to show you?
You are?
No, I didn't. Anyways, there's a bunch of birds. So that's all. I'm not. That's all for today. Bye.